Welcome to this Flipdish tutorial. Today we're going to look at setting up Google Analytics for your website. As we know, the better you understand your business and your customers, the better chance you have of success. Okay, so the first step is to go to analytics.google.com. Google Analytics gives you the free tools you need to analyze data for your business in one place so you can make better decisions. Google Analytics will give you a better understanding of your website and app users to better check the performance of your marketing, content, products, and more. It will also give you the unique insights and machine learning capabilities to help you make the most of your data. Great, next we need to click Start Measuring to begin. You will then be guided through an account setup process. You should provide all the information requested, such as your account name, your brand name, your property setup, your brand name again, time zone and currency, information about your business, such as business size and how you will use Google Analytics. Tick all the options to get as much information as possible. Then accept the terms and conditions. You will then be offered a very useful guided tour. We suggest you complete this as it will show you where some of the key items are located. The homepage provides an at-a-glance view of your most important metrics, insights, and setup tips. Each time you sign in, Analytics will provide personalized content from across all reports. Use the panel in the top left corner to navigate to different reports. Simply click on Reports. Another useful feature is Report Snapshots. Here you'll see an overview of important information about your users and their engagement with your website and/or app. Different reports will help you learn about your business. Start with one of several life cycle reports that highlight key information about your users' behavior on your website and/or app. These answer questions such as how active are your users over time. User reports help you understand your user demographics and technology. Then on the left-hand side of the page, you have the Explorations tab. This will help you gain a deeper understanding of your data with a series of advanced techniques, funnels, cohorts, and more. You can then share your findings and create audiences directly from your results. Next, we have Advertising. You can use attribution reports to better understand paths to conversion and channel performance. Then we have the Configure tab. Here you can view events, conversions, audiences, and user properties. Property editors can modify these configurations. And in the bottom left-hand corner, you have your admin settings. Here you can review and edit your user, property, and account settings. Property editors can manage user permissions, configure data, retention, and share settings, and edit product links such as Google Ads and Firebase. And for more help, you can use the search box at the top of the page. From any page in Analytics, you can search for specific reports, ask a question about your data, find insights, or search for help. Once you finish the tour, click Got It. Then click the red Go to Stream Setup button in the top right-hand corner, and then select Web on the page in front of you. Then add your business URL. If your website is built by Flipdish, you can add the homepage link. However, if you host your own website and we have just embedded our ordering technology onto it, you should add the ordering URL. You will then be given a code that you will need to add to the Flipdish portal. Go to portal.flipdish.com and log in. Then on the left-hand side, click Sales Channels. Then click Website, and then Social Media and Analytics. Scroll down the page and add the code to the Google Analytics field. And once that's complete, Google Analytics will automatically start tracking your site. And that's it. I hope you found the video useful, and if you have any questions, contact help@flipdish.com and we'll be happy to assist you. You can also learn more about our Flipdish Manage marketing team and how they can help drive more traffic to your website and increase orders in the next lesson, or by clicking the link in the description of this video. Thanks for watching.